What a quiet morning, Bulloo. Even the trees are whispering. Maybe they're still... Oh, Bulloo, look! That cloud is so close to the ground. Clouds don't live down here.
I can't go back up. I forgot how to rain. I tried and tried, but no raindrops come. The forest is thirsty.
Oh, little cloud, maybe you just need to remember how it feels.
Can I really learn again?
Of course, everyone forgets some.
The river remembers every drop. Maybe it can remind me too.
Then listen closely.
Almost. That's the wind's part of the song.
It's a duet.
Something inside me feels heavy, warm. It hurts, but nice.
Maybe that's the sound of...
It feels like my heart.
your first rain. It's raining. You're crying beautiful tears.
I remember now. I remember everything.